All right, so here's the F-150 center console. I've got a bunch of people interested in these, but when I tell them I ship them disassembled, they bail because they think it's too hard to put together. So I'm making this video to show you it's not. It's very, very simple. Just gonna get into it. I mean, all you need is a Torx 20 bit and a 9/32 bit. So first we'll start with the base. Okay, back piece here, two sides. There are two clips on each side. Got one up here and down there. See, I don't know if you can see. I don't make videos like this, but I figured, hey, why not? All right, 4 clips and your base is ready to go. I do ship them with the harness like that. If you do want to wire it up for your element, you can have charging in the back seat there. But that's the base. So set that aside for now. Next thing is the compartment. It's 2 parts like this. Just kind of locks in. This tab here, and you've got tabs on each one, I think. Oh no, just the front and the back. Anyway, there's no way to assemble this wrong. Everything locks right into place. Screws, I start with this one here. Just go around. 7 screws, or I mean 7 bolts on this part. And I will clean these up before I ship them out. This one's pretty grody still. I've seen a lot worse, but just doing a little instructional video before I clean this one up. All right, that's all together then. Next, you got your bracket here for the lid. It only goes on one way. 2 tabs here, and then 4 Torx 20 screws. All right. So now that that is assembled, we're going to wait to put the lid on. I'll show you why. So you get your base here. Now what you want to do, I hope you can see this because kind of important. Anyway, so you kind of open this up a little bit. This comes in here. You got a tab there and another one on the other side. I'd say out of the whole thing, this is probably the most difficult, just because it can be a little finicky when you're lining it up, but really not that much, not much to it. So you just lift this up, find your hole, leave that a little loose so you have some play for the other side. That's it. That's all in there. Tighten up the other side again. All right. Then take your back piece here, goes right over the top. Clips in. Got your front piece here. That clips in over the top of that. The rubber cup holders back in. Alright, and then put your felt piece in. And the last piece here, you got your lid. Locks in, 2 tabs there. Right there, right there. And 4 Torx 20 screws. Center console, that's it. Solid, not going anywhere. And you know, I've had one of these in mind for a while. I don't even have it fastened in. It squeezes in between the seats, really nice. The only thing is, if you do have armrests, you got to take them out, because this is taller than the factory armrests. But yeah, it's great. A lot of storage. You got your coins, card stuff. That's it.